Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have something incredibly fundamental, something incredibly important I wanted to share with you. I want to participate with you. And if you are learning English, you're learning pronunciation, you're learning British pronunciation, or it could be even British or American pronunciation, or it could be Australian pronunciation, you must hear this. You need to hear this because this message will help you to change the way you approach, the way you're learning the language forever. Whether you are learning Spanish at the moment, you're learning French, you are learning Arabic, whatever language you're learning at the moment, whether you're struggling with confidence, you're struggling with pronunciation, vocabulary, or even you feel you're stuck. In this video, I'll give you motivational strategies and the mindset that you will need to push forward and finally kickstart your fluency journey. And before I get started, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also click the bell so you don't miss any weekly videos. So what are the mistakes that are holding you back from time to time? One of the biggest mistakes that I think you are making is that you are looking for perfection. Now, perfection, I mean, come on, perfection, it doesn't exist, honestly. If you are trying to speak more like a native speaker, you want to have a perfect grammar and never make mistakes, that will never happen. And guess what? Perfection is killing your progress. And think about this. When babies, when they learn a language, when they started to learn a language, when they've been born or the baby is born and they started to learn, they do not worry about making mistakes. They do not worry about making mistakes. They keep speaking, learning from the context and improving naturally from their parents, from their kind of family members and all those kind of things. So here the first rule for you. You have to stop chasing perfection. Chasing perfection is killing your progress. And instead of hesitating, speak more. Instead of kind of memorizing all the grammar rules, use the language. You don't need to be perfect at all. You have to be understood while you're having a conversation. You have to give a chance to your listener to understand what you're talking about and all those kind of things. And you will get there. Power of speaking every day. What I mean by the power of speaking every day, now here is something that will transform your English faster than anything else. You speak English every single day, and I don't care, I don't give a monkeys if you don't have a native speaker. I've mentioned a lot about kind of platforms where you can be able to practice your languages. Hello Talk, Free for Talk. I'll put the link in the description below at the same time, and you have to just practice it, embrace it. You will sound weird at the same time. Pronunciation, confidence, vocabulary, all these kind of things. And I would highly recommend that you need to use these apps, and hopefully it will help you to transform your journey. And also shadow native speakers, listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, and repeat after them. Copy the pronunciation, particularly rhythm, intonation, and all these kind of things will help you to spot your mistakes and hopefully working towards your mistakes at the same time. If you only learning English but never using these apps, you are wasting your time. Even if just 5 minutes every day, go and talk to anyone, join groups, join the voice rooms. Your fluency will dramatically improve from time to time. You have to stop learning like it's 2010. What I mean, you have to stop learning from like it's 2010. Way people learned English in the past doesn't work anymore. You don't need to memorize a long less vocabulary. You study grammar, rules, and even translate everything into your native language. And instead, you need to immerse yourself in the real language, watch movies, listen to podcasts, and also read some books without subtitles or translations, okay, without interpretations. Expose yourself to authentic natural English as much as possible. The best way to learn the language or to learn anything in 2025 for those who they are learning English or any type of language pronunciation or any particular type of pronunciation, those who are like they live in English speaking countries, English environments, I mean, come on, you just have to use it. And even if you don't live in an English environment country, you need to use these apps from time to time. They are completely free, and I've got experience from them, and I think they're really, really useful. I practice my French from time to time. I'm consistent with them. So I'm offering you these platforms to just kind of practice your language learning journey from time to time. And one of the biggest problems English learners face is, of course, the fear. Fear for speaking. They have no confidence. If you are learning anything without confidence, you're not going to get anywhere. But I mean, confidence comes after taking action. And let me tell you something. Nobody cares if you make mistakes. Nobody gives a shit of whatever things that you're doing, okay? No one think about you, okay? So just try it. Embrace it. Embrace the discomfort. The only way to gain confidence is to take action. Speak is fail, improve, and repeat, and you get there. Your mindset, what will make you break your success in English? If you keep saying that my English isn't good enough, then you will never improve. But if you say, I'm improving, every single day, you will start seeing real progress. And my challenge for you is I want you just to challenge yourself for the next 30 days and speak English every single day. It can be 1 minute, it could be 10 minutes, it doesn't really matter. Record yourself, talk to someone, and shadow native speakers. Just speak, and don't worry about grammar mistakes or sounding perfect. Perfection doesn't exist. And that's all about it. For 30 days, and I promise you, if you practice these for 30 days, you will feel more confident and more natural at the same time. And finally, that's all about it. And this is all about these strategies that to stop chasing perfection, and you have to immerse yourself and get all of it. And that's all about it. If you found this video useful, you like what you saw today, you like the content that I'm creating, please make sure that to hit that subscribe button and also click the bell so you don't miss any weekly videos. And if you are serious about improving your language, English, pronunciation, my channel is focused quite intensely on British pronunciation. And for more tips as well, let me know in the comments. And if you have any recommendations, any topics, any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.